Homemade pizza. H-minute. Pizza on a plate with a cheese pull. Craving pizza? Let's make a quick homemade pizza in just a few minutes. Ingredients. All ingredients neatly displayed on the table. You'll need pizza base, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and your favorite toppings like capsicum, onion, and olives. Ingredients list. Preparing the base, spreading pizza sauce on the base, then adding cheese. Spread pizza sauce on the base, add a generous layer of mozzarella, and top it with colorful veggies. Tip: don't overload toppings for even baking. Baking pizza going into an oven or a pan on the stove. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 C for 10 minutes. No oven? Use a covered pan on low heat. Cut the pizza and do a cheese pull in slow motion. And there you have it. Cheesy, homemade pizza in no time. Pizza slice close-up. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Subscribe for more.